Alright, I'm going to do a quick video today of a venerable Blackcat JB-12. This is an old rusty dusty one I had. I didn't even know I had it. It's been recapped, but as you can see, the transformer has a lot of rust there, and it's not terrible condition, but it's not good condition either. You can see some wear and little rust particles there. But fired it down, and well, first of all, let's see what the radio's doing into it. We just got the radio going through the JB-12 into the watt meter and into the dummy load. Right now, just the radio, not doing a whole lot into it. 2 watts audio, swing it to about 5 average, and over here on peak. Hello, audio. About 10 watts peak. And now we're going to switch it on and go back to average, put it on the 200 watt scale, and key her down, audio. And over here on the 200 watt scale, audio. She's doing about 6 or 7 watts, going about 30 average. Audio. Now remember, that was from 5 average. And over here on peak, audio. And that was only 10 watts peak going into it, so with a little bit more drive, she would do a little bit better, but that's not bad for a JB-12. 60 watts peak on a dummy load, which is real watts, and this MFJ Giant watt meter here is calibrated to a bird, so does about what a bird does. I just like it because it's big. So that's gonna be it of the 2-tube JB-12. One tube is the keyer tube, the smaller tube. This is the older one, so the tube keys up the amp and the relay, and the big tube does the power. Yeah, let's stick the cover right on. Show you what it looks like with the cover on. Not great, but not terrible either. The old average, I'd say, what's this thing, about 50 years old, with the tube in it for the keying circuit. Blackcat JB-12. That's gonna be it. Bye.